Especially liked how you had these temple earrings.
I'm just happy to see you select all that. Just like a small child picking up stuff. Yeah, I want this, I want that. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm super excited to have a special guest on my channel, and she's one of my daughter's friends. Her name is Stuti. So Stuti, welcome to our channel, and I'm really very happy and excited to be here. Actually, you know what happened? When you came and you checked out my jewelry and raw materials, right? And you decided the combinations and what type of jewelry you want to make. I was really very happy that you selected and you gave me a chance to customize for you. So at that instant, a thought just came to my mind that why not ask Stuti that if she comes to my channel and we have a short discussion about the jewelry and your experience on Fabriety, on how did you find the jewelry and what excited you to be part of the this thing. And today I'm really very happy and grateful and thankful to you that you have come to my channel, and you instantly said yes. So welcome Stuti again. And Stuti, yes, I would really be happy to introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Stuti. I'm 18 years old and I'm studying engineering in my second year of college. I've been a friend of Purti's for almost 4 years now, and it was through her that I met her mom, Bhakti Auntie, and I got to know about her jewelry. So I'm very excited to be here today, and thank you for having me.
Thank you Stuti. Thank you very much for coming. So Stuti, when you came and visited me, right? So you saw these charms and my raw material. So what did you feel like at that time?
So I think right now there's lots of trends on the internet and everybody wants something new and something different. They're all trying to find something.
Yes.
And I really like that all of your things were so unique and I had never seen anything like them before. And I don't have a lot of Indian jewelry and I was trying to find more of them for me. But the thing is, when you go to these shops, they're not great quality sometimes, and sometimes vendors will charge you way too much for them.
Yes,
so when I saw yours, I was really excited to see all of these different variations. And what I thought was the most important was that you gave me the freedom to choose how I wanted them to look. And whatever charms that I thought were nice, you would put them together and figure out ways to make them look just right for me personally.
Oh yes. I like to customize. Actually, I like as you said, right, that you do not get common stuff or it is expensive. And what happens is when we go to buy in stores or we buy from all these online platforms, it's like the same thing everywhere. So this becomes unique when you select by yourself and you make a combination which is special to you.
Yeah.
So it becomes unique. So, and I also love doing that.
Yeah, it's really important because I think every time a trend will come and go, but it's important to always have what you think is beautiful in your closet all the time.
Yes.
And you've given me that with your jewelry.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. So, Stuti, what is your favorite piece out of all these things? What did you like the most?
I think my favorite piece might have been this bracelet that also had a ring attached to it.
Oh, okay.
Because I've been looking for this for so long. Like, I've seen this on Pinterest before, I've seen this on Instagram, I've seen so many people have this, and I thought, wow, I would really like to have something like this. But whenever I looked online, I was never able to find it, and I used to ask my friends and they said that you could go to the store but it was never there. And then when I told you about it, you were immediately like, oh, I can make this for you, no problem. I was so happy.
Yeah, you have surprised me with that you searched so many places, and whereas it was just next to you.
Yeah. No, I'm really happy that I was able to get that. And also, this piece ended up being one of my favorites as well, because initially I wasn't sure how it would come out, but then when I finally wore it, I was like, wow, this is so beautiful, and I think it really suits me as well.
Oh, okay. Let me put it on to you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you can show our viewers also how it looks. So yes, so this is how it looks, and these are the charms. So this she selected by herself. She said, I want this at a distance of this, and this is my length. And So we had a lot of discussions, and this is the perfect fit for it.
Yeah.
For you, right?
Yeah, and initially when I first got it, it was a little bit big, and then I told you, and then
Yes.
you were able to make it for my
Yes.
size perfectly again.
Yes, yes.
So, Auntie, I wanted to ask you a
Yes.
question. I've never seen fabric jewelry before,
Uh-huh.
and I wanted to know what inspired you to start making fabric jewelry, because I think it's very new.
Oh, yes, yes. That's an interesting question, and that too coming from you. So, what happened is, like, I like to do a lot of creative stuff, and I keep on experimenting a lot of things. So, and in my free time, I was seeing a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of craft items, and a lot of things, and I started experiment. So, I experimented with resin art also. I experimented with a lot of pearl jewelry and all that. But fabric jewelry, it excited me a lot. It gave me that excitement, or that innovation, that there is something to innovate in that. And the other thing is, what happens is, everyone, they want to have a matching jewelry.
Yes.
Okay, so when you like, especially when I go, and I feel like, okay, what will go with along with this sometimes. So that's not available outside. So what happens is, fabric jewelry, with fabric you can do lot of variations.
Yeah.
So especially, size, shape, colors, you can add whatever type of these charms and all these jhumkis, and a lot of things you can add. So that's what interested me, and so I thought, okay, let me try it. And when I tried, you won't believe, I first tried on cardboard,
Oh, wow.
and that turned out very good and elegant piece. But then afterwards, my husband said that it may bend over the time, it may lose its touch and all that. So then I said, okay, let me try it, let me experiment with different variations, and then I came out. Now it's it's sturdy kind of
Yeah.
thing, so it will not bend even like in what. And moreover, what has happened, it has become lightweight.
Yeah.
So what happens is, because it's lightweight, you can wear it the entire day without anything, and it comes at, like, it's also not that expensive that you can't means it's not like occasion kind of thing and all that. So it's like also casual, formal, and you can get it designed also. So that's what that interested. That's how I got interested into fabric jewelry, and I started making it, and slowly I realized that I'm enjoying it, and that's
Yeah.
why I started doing all these things.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Thank you for asking me this question.
No problem. So I also wanted to know, you're always making new pieces. Whenever I come to your house, I see so many new different designs.
Mhm.
So how do you make so many different things? What keeps you inspired? Do you talk to customers, or does this come from yourself?
Some are my inspiration, some are my designs, I found it, but mostly, if you say, 80% are from my customers.
Oh, okay.
So what they do is, they want it to be customized, and they say that I want it to be made like that, but I want these variations,
Mhm.
and I want these color combinations. So what they will send me a reference pic.
Yeah.
So then, and they will add their touch to it, so it all again becomes a unique piece. First of all, a reference pic and their inputs, it becomes unique.
Mhm.
And plus, again, they get the freedom that, okay, many people, they have just shown me a choker necklace set.
Yeah.
Okay, and then they said, no, I want to add ear chains to it. So they have added. You won't believe, one customer, she also made a nose pin
Oh, wow.
with fabric, so she wanted that to
Yeah.
match her set. So then I made that. So now that is a different thing that I feel.
Yeah,
Okay.
it is.
And I'm happy that I'm able to meet them, and those pieces become unique.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's amazing.
So that's where my novelty comes, and that's how I am able to find new designs and do it.
That's very innovative.
Yes, yes. So I hope, Stuti, all our channel viewers are enjoying our discussion, and they are getting more interested about Fabriety. So if you guys like whatever we had a short discussion today and all that, so I would like you to like my channel and to subscribe to my channel. And if you have anything, or if you would like to have any customizations or any such kind of requirements, you can just get back to me on my WhatsApp number, which will be displayed on the screen. And even you can visit my website at www.fabriety.com, and you can also follow me on Instagram for the latest designs. So I will give everything, all the details in the description box. You can take a look at it. So I hope to see some of your beautiful comments on my channel. So I look forward for your subscription. Thank you very much for subscribing. So yeah, Stuti, let's continue our discussion more further. So what design process did you like in this?
I think what I liked the most was picking out the charms.
Okay.
Because you had such a large variety of
Yes.
them, and I wasn't sure which one would be the best one. I especially liked how you had these temple earrings here.
Yes.
Because I had never seen anything like them, and even you gave me these peacock earrings, and for one of the necklaces
yes,
you
yes.
made me, it was a guitar necklace, and you had such a variety of things that were not just modern but also traditional.
Yes.
So picking out the charms was definitely my favorite part of the process.
Yes, I know, we had the entire room was
Yeah.
filled with my all these jewelry boxes in which I had kept, all these charms. And then she was like, oh yes auntie, I like this, yes, this rooster is there, this violin, yes, I want to make this.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was really very happy to see you select all that, just like a small child picking up stuff. Yeah, I want this, I want that, like that.
Yeah.
So I really enjoyed it.
Okay, me too.
Yes, Stuti, so you showed this jewelry to your friends and family, right?
Mhm.
So what was their reaction about it?
They were actually really happy for me because I love wearing jewelry. I'm always wearing some
Mhm.
kinds of things whenever I go to college or whenever I go out with my friends. And I keep pestering my mom, I'm like, can we go buy some more? Can we go buy some more? But what she really loved about seeing the jewelry that you made for me was that it was unique and it was also good quality.
Uh-huh.
Because the thing is, when we go to vendors, they all make the same thing over and over again,
Yes,
and
yes.
there's nothing special about them. What she liked about yours was that it was really unique. And you
Mhm.
also made her Durga earrings. and
Yes,
she really
yes,
liked those
yes,
because she's Bengali and Durga Ma is very important to her.
Yes.
So yeah,
Oh.
that was her reaction.
Yeah, that's nice to know.
So Auntie, you've been doing this jewelry business for a pretty long time now.
Mhm.
So I wanted to know what your favorite part of the process is, whether it's getting the order, talking to customers, or seeing how they react to your creations. What part do you enjoy?
So I enjoy the first and the last part.
Okay.
The first part is, where the customer says that I want to get this customized. So when anyone comes to you, with a demand, right, that is the happiness that you get. Okay. And the last part is when it reaches to the customer and the customer wears it and says, yeah, I really loved it and you have fulfilled as per my
Yeah.
thing. So those are the two parts that I like
That's so
the
nice.
most. Yeah. So Stuti, I have one question for you.
Mhm.
So if Fabriety had a teen collection,
Yeah.
so what would be the must-have piece that you feel that a teenager would love to have?
Definitely the charm bracelet, I
Okay.
think, because you can customize it to your own liking. The charm bracelet, like the one I'm wearing right now,
Uh-huh.
because anybody can make it according to their liking, and it's also on par with the minimalist trend that's happening right now.
Okay, yeah, that's nice. I also loved it. And you can wear it as an anklet also.
Yeah, you can, and it was
Yeah.
really cool.
And it looks very nice. So Stuti, one serious question. Have you ever borrowed your mom's or sister's jewelry? And what was their reaction?
I have taken my mom's jewelry more times than I can count, and I think every time she loses her jewelry, she comes to my room because she knows that I've taken it.
Yeah. See, though it is that way, it's a proud moment for all us moms, that we our daughters, they like to wear our jewelry, which is, traditional and our selection, right?
Yeah. Did Purti ever steal your jewelry?
Yes. She has taken a lot of stuff from me and I don't know where it is now.
Okay.
So she loves my jewelry, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So on this note, let us wrap up this discussion. So thank you Stuti to be on our channel, and I look forward for you to wearing it, to pose it and send me your lovely pics and even tag me on Instagram.
100%. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for having me, and I love talking to you
Yes,
today.
thank you very much. Thank you.